Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, we are going to show you how you can use CapCut. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. If you do not have CapCut already, you will need just to go to search for CapCut on your web browser and you will need just to download it. So just type CapCut and then you will need just to go here for download for free and make sure it is CapCut.com and you will be able to download your CapCut and start using it. After you installing and downloading CapCut, this is how you can find the home page. From here, you can find all your projects. You will need just to click on your projects so you can start editing a new video. This is like the media section. This is the player where you can preview these media. So you can just click on any media that you have. So we can basically search for any video and add it here. Let's just click on import and then we can import whatever we have. So for example, we can just go here and go, for example, like here, and we open it. And from here, you can start editing on your video. So this is only the media panel. To edit on the working space or working panel here, you will need just to drag it and drop it here. And of course, you can have as many media as you want. And from here, you can start editing your video. So basically, if we want to add some text or anything, from here you can find all the text. You will need just to click on add text, add the defaults, and it will be added from here. You can control the duration of the text here, and this is the timeline where you can see the whole video. So I'm here on this time, and here I can find this video. You can start editing on it. You can customize in it. You can find from templates of video styles, I mean text styles, etc. From here, you can add some videos like soundtracks or some sound effects, stickers, and those are the effects of the video or the image where you can find some like blur or any other effects. From here, you can start transitioning between videos. So for example, we can add this here. Let's just split this video so we can see our transition. So let's just split. You go and add the transition, and we are just going to. So from here, we will find the transition, and you can add it like as simple as you can see, and you can also control like the filters, add them whenever you would like, add the filters. So as you can see, I'm here in a normal filter, and now my image will change. So basically, this is how you can use easily CapCut. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.